Going down. Welcome to DanYo&Tita, and it's payback time. I told y'all the day will come where I pay back Tita for pranking me in this kitchen. So we return to the kitchen for the revenge, the prank on Tita. So this is how it's gonna go down. We have a refrigerator right here with groceries in it. We're gonna remove all the groceries out the refrigerator. And I have my mother that's hiding behind this wall right here that y'all can't see.
Mama Daniel.
And she's gonna be behind the camera right there.
Okay.
And with this removal of the groceries, I'm gonna be in the refrigerator, waiting for Tita to open it. Just waiting. Waiting.
Oh man.
With this mask on.
I'm scared already.
With this mask on. Waiting for her to open that refrigerator. I'm gonna put the red dye right here. And it's going down. Should have never started this, Tita.
You sure you want to scare Tita like that?
She should have never started.
I don't know, Daniel. That
I told her. I gave her a couple months.
I don't know. What did we have to call like 911?
Tita had knives in her hand.
Well, you know, what happens if Tina?
My pants fell down. She went because we want to play games.
I don't know. You know, she could have a heart attack.
Payback's going down. I got the red dye on right here. We're getting ready to start. I got my mother in position behind the wall that y'all can't see. Tita's in the room. We're getting ready to start this part. Got the mask.
Like I said, Daniel, I really hope that Tita's gonna be okay with this.
She'll be alright. She wasn't worried about me.
You know how Tita is. Tita's pretty scary, so you know.
We going in.
All right. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Tita? Thank you, Live.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.